What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to set up a bot that will get you Twitter followers and all that good stuff. So the link is gonna be in the description below on how to download it. So it's gonna download in a zip file. So basically what you need to do is extract the file. So once you extract it, you're gonna have all these documents and files here. So you're gonna click on this right here, the application. So just double click on it. And also make sure you have Twitter open, because it's gonna have instructions on how to do everything. All right, there you go. So basically it's gonna give you these instructions and you're just gonna follow them. So let's click next, and it's gonna show you what you need, all the keys that we'll need in the access tokens. You're gonna click next. All right, so first things first, you want to go to this website, apps.twitter.com. So let's go to the website. So you're gonna want to sign in and just click login. All right, so make sure you're logged in, and we're gonna go back to the app and we're gonna click next. So you're gonna want to create a new application. So you should have this button here. If you don't, click on the drop down and it's gonna be here. So click on create new app. So we're just gonna fill out the information. So we're gonna put all right, and for the website you can put your Twitter link or something like that. So it's something that should be something like this, and your name right here. All right, so once this is done, click agree and click create your application. All right, there you go. Okay, so we're gonna go to settings right here, and you can change your application icon right here if you wanted, if you have your own. So I'm gonna try to change this to my YouTube profile picture. Okay, so we're gonna go to permissions right here, and you're gonna want to select read and write. You don't want it accessing your DMs unless you want to, but click read and write right there. Update settings if you change anything. Now we're gonna go to keys and access tokens right here. So you are gonna scroll all the way to the bottom, and then there should be this button that says create my access token. So just click on it. So it's gonna be right here. So you're not gonna see mine, but it should be right here. All right, so looking at it, it should say read and write. You should see like some of the information you put, such as your name and the access level, which should be read and write. And there's also like random numbers. Those are like the access tokens. And so once this is done, you're gonna go all the way up. All right, so what you're gonna do is copy the consumer key, the first one. So just highlight it and click copy. And if you were following in the application, if you keep clicking next, it's gonna take you to this page right here. Here, what you're gonna do is select read and write. You're gonna paste it. You can do Control V. You should paste it. And the next one, the secret, you're gonna just copy, Control C, and go back into the application and Control V. There you go. All right, there you go. All right, so on the bottom there's gonna be the access token. So make sure it's read and write again, and back on this you're gonna go all the way down, and the access token is gonna be the first one right here. So you're just gonna copy this again, and you're gonna go back to the application and you're gonna paste it like that. And the access token secret, it's gonna be the next one. So you're just gonna copy this, go back to the application and paste it just like that. And then you're just gonna click verify and save Twitter account. It's gonna take a minute or so. Boom, there you go, it's done. When it's done, it should say account verified successfully. Now you are ready to use a Twitter follower. Yay. So it's gonna show you your account. So it's gonna be my Twitter account. It's Whiz Crazy, and I have 46 followers and I'm following 42 people. So right now I can just tweet from this. All right, so I am logged in. So I'm gonna go onto this and I'm gonna tweet it's a beautiful day, and I'm gonna click tweet. Okay, so I should be able to see it from here. So I'm just gonna refresh, and there you go, guys. So it just tweeted from that from the application. All right, so let's go back to the application. So this is the first section. So now let's go to this second section. All right, so basically what the first section does is called the follow from. So you're gonna follow from someone else, you know. Okay, so this is how it's gonna work. So you type in the name or the handle of someone who has followers you want to follow, hoping that they will follow you back, right? So this is where you're gonna put his or her name, right? So I'm gonna delete this and I'm gonna choose so his handle is mkbhd. So what I'm gonna do is copy this and I'm gonna put mkbhd. All right, just like that. So I'm gonna follow his you can either follow his followers or or the people he's following, but he's only following like how many people, like 199, and he has 1.2 million followers, right? So what I want to do is I'm gonna follow his followers. So the time delay is the time between each follows. So you might want to do it on lightning fast. So it's just gonna follow like a whole bunch of people at the same time, like so fast you can't even see it. So you might get banned from Twitter for doing that or get suspended for doing that. So basically we're gonna go to random specified time minimum and maximum range, you know. So you can follow a person between 1 minute and 3 minutes. So I'm gonna do this from a minute to like let's say 10 minutes right now. All right, so it's just gonna it might follow someone at 1 minute and then the next person might follow it after like 10 minutes and the next person after 8 minutes. All right, so this says how many people you want to follow from his followers. You can specify which ones you want to follow, like how many. So there's only 5 right now. We can follow all of them, which is like 1.2 million, you know. So I'm gonna choose let's say like 20, right? That's a good number. And this section right here, cut off API limit, you know, just leave it at 25. I don't know what it does, but just leave it at 25. And if you want to like know what's going on, like if someone followed you back or something like that, make sure you select this show trade notifications. So it's just gonna give you like some notifications here on the bottom, you know, to show you like what's going on. And are gonna click apply and save like that. Okay, so settings are applied and saved. So now let's go on to the next, which is the auto follow. So once you get to this one, basically what you want to do is click start auto follow, then click I agree. So it's just gonna start doing its work right now. So once you do the settings and you click apply and save, you're gonna go to this one and you're gonna click start and agree to it, and it's gonna start working. So right now it's gonna tell you like how long it's waiting. So it followed one person and it's gonna wait for 2 minutes and it's gonna follow the next one. Right, so let's go off to the next section, which is search and follow. Right, so what you're gonna do is search a hashtag. So let's say maybe hashtag Filmora. So Filmora is like it's like a video editing program, and then time delay between each follows. So I'm gonna put maybe a minute, and then I'm gonna click start search and follow. What it's gonna do is gonna look for people that use the hashtag Filmora, and it's gonna follow them. Alright, so this is pretty much how you can use this program to get followers and to tweet and all that good stuff. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, my link is going to be in the description below. I will follow you back. And thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button below if you haven't already. And I'm out. Peace.